Hey everyone, welcome to Teachers Live. We do PD Live webinars for teachers only. Today we're talking about very interesting and unique topics. So it's my personal opinion, but you can share in the Q&A box whatever you think about this. Taboo AI sounds amazing, right? So ignite English mastery through play with amazing and inspiring Yuxuan from Singapore. And in a few seconds, I'm going to invite Yuxuan very soon to the studio. But before we dive in, please share from which part of the world you're tuning from. What is your teaching role exactly? And right now, I'm inviting Yuxuan here. Hello, Yuxuan. How are you?
Hey, hello everyone. Nice to
It's
meet
so
you. Thank you so much for having me here.
it's so amazing that you're here today because we can learn from you since you are a developer and a founder of the same platform. So all at once, right?
Yes.
It's like, wow, how did you do that? That's my question. Because when you
Hmm.
showcase how the Taboo AI works, I was thinking, how did you do that on your own? Do you have a team or anyone who can support
For
you?
now, I'm still doing it solo, but yeah, I did receive some help and support and also inspiration from my friends. So also want to thank them for that. Yeah.
Oh, this is so amazing. So actually, you're a software engineer. So this is like your introduction of you, just a brief one, but you can add anything you would love to.
Sure.
You're passionate about ed tech, and Taboo AI is your side project.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
like,
So currently, I still have a full-time job.
oh my gosh. So that's how you help English language learners learn English vocabulary and expressions. And it really worked because we played with my students and I, we love playing Taboo, but it was like PDF, something on printable, like cards. It was so simple. And now we've got Taboo AI. So it's really fun and engaging way. So I'm so sure. And what you also do, you constantly improve the platform, right? So every time you add something new.
Yes, actually, in fact, like this morning, I just added a new stuff into it.
Just oh my God,
Yeah.
you're amazing. And also, you run EdTech blog, right? Is it correct?
Oh yeah. I just recently created actually. It was done very a bit late, I would say, joining this community, but I would like to share as much as I can.
That's amazing. And actually, I just want to share that we're sharing with Wakelet Resource Collection today, and all of the
Mm.
links you can find in the collection and everything that you can learn more and dive in a little bit deeper and learn about Taboo AI. So, anything that you would love to add more about yourself, Yushan? Would you like to add anything?
I think maybe just a little bit background about how I enter into this ed tech because actually previously I was have done a little bit of tutoring of programming to
Wow.
some of the poly students and polytechnic and uni students, and then during this process I realized I really love teaching, and
Yay.
then when I'm teaching, yeah, I want to kind of like impart the knowledge that I have into somebody, and then look at them understand eventually after maybe give the analogy and some stuff. So during this process, I will try to come up with innovative, like creative solutions instead of just ask them to remember. So during this process, then I realized, oh, because currently I'm doing development on the website, and then yeah, that linked to another thing that I want to consider is like everyone now have mobile phone and
Yes.
devices, laptops and all
Yes.
this. So yeah, if I can create something that allow the people to continue learning anywhere, anytime, then that would be cool. So that was
And
my
this is
idea.
that's brilliant. And the question that that disturbs my mind, is it free, like for teachers, for students? Can we use it
Yeah,
for free?
yeah. For now, Taboo AI is completely free. Like there's no you won't see any place to charge except for the buy me coffee page.
Is
But
it?
that's completely free. Yeah, and you
Yeah.
don't even need to log in to play. Actually, the login will just enable more features. But the basic playing features is completely no login and is free. Yeah.
Oh my. I can't wait to do this.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a great impact. Like, thank you so much. So the question that I usually ask every speaker at the very beginning that we can kick off your brilliant presentation
Mm.
is, what inclusive education is. What does it mean to you?
Okay. I think for me, maybe I split into three parts. So one is because okay, the general answer is for everyone. But in terms of money, it's like inclusive education means you don't need to pay so much to learn, right? Like learning
Yes,
should be something that is free and you can
accessible.
learn anywhere. Then the second one is actually the difficulty of learning. So I feel learning shouldn't be so difficult to start. It should be something easy at the start, and then you gradually improve. That's also why I put the thoughts into the Taboo AI. So you can see actually there's a difficulty level ranking. And then for
Wow.
beginners, you can actually find about the easy topics there. It's like colors or like daily objects, those very common English words. Yeah, but there's also very hard one. Later I can show to you guys like how hard it is. I don't even recognize the word.
Ah,
Yeah.
it was
Yeah. So
brilliant.
mm,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much.
Yeah, accessibility is the key, and in every way. So so agree with you. Um, okay, I just want to say that I want to pass the mic to you, but and before we do that,
Okay.
please don't forget to grab your highlights to post them on socials like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Don't forget to tag Yushan, me, and also use the hashtag #TeachersLavidu. So Taboo AI is actually you created the account, right, Yushan? It's on Instagram, so you can
Oh, yes.
tag Taboo AI as well. So, and we are ready to go. If you're ready to share, start sharing. We
Okay.
can't
Yeah.
wait.
Okay. Let
Yay!
me start sharing my screen.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Yay!
And
It's on the
see? Okay.
screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so this is the Taboo AI's homepage. So when you go to the website tabooai.vercel.app, then you will see this. So this you can I will introduce some of the common features first before we delve into the major parts. So you can see in the homepage you'll have choose a topic and contribute new topics, two buttons. Right. So choose a topic is where you start playing Taboo AI, and contribute new topics is because I want to create this Taboo AI community that everyone can contribute your topics inside so that you can benefit other learners with more variety of like English words. So that's why I created this. Yeah, so you can, this total view is just a small like gimmick that I put here so that you can actually see a live, like if someone right now is viewing the page, you can see this bump up. It's like a
Yeah.
small animation. Okay, so yeah, so at the site, actually, yeah, I want to make it more accessible, like not just day or like you can access it during day or during night. So you can
Wow,
toggle
this is my
this to
favorite.
be
Dark mode.
light
Thank you
and
for
dark
this.
mode.
It's my
Yeah.
favorite.
And also actually you can try access this on your mobile phone and it should also work into the mobile phone layout. Yeah,
Yushan, wait.
so
You do you have an app? Do you have an application for mobile
I
phones for
don't
it?
have an exact app, but later I will show you how you can actually install Taboo
Oh
AI just
my.
like an app. It's a
Wow.
website, but we utilize a technology called PWA that will actually
Incredible.
put your website into like an app inside your phone. Yeah,
Oh
we can
my.
actually do this. So yeah, at the side you can open the side menu. So you will see some of the, just now we already go through the two major button. And down here, if you want to learn more about Taboo AI, there's rules explaining how you can play it. And install Taboo AI is the one that later I want to go through with you how you can install it on your mobile devices. And you can look at latest features that is released and also the entire project roadmap from since the beginning when Taboo AI just started. Yeah. So this just some of the common stuff. Yeah, so maybe I'll just tell you guys first how to install Taboo AI because if you're using Chrome on the PC,
Yeah.
you can see actually PC here, they should have a button pop up say it's like an install button, right? When you click on
Mhm.
it, it will ask you to install the app. Okay, so now I'm sharing the Chrome. So after I press install, you won't see my desktop. But basically, once you install, you will realize the Taboo app is actually one app that is put inside your laptop. And similar to mobile phone, you can see how if you are iOS user, Safari has this setting to add to home screen. So once you add to home screen, it acts like an app. It shows up in your app store, and when you click on it, it directly open Taboo AI full screen. without any navigation bar of the browser and stuff. And for Chrome user, it's very easy. You're using Android device, you just go to the more setting and there should be a button called install app or something similar to that. Once you click on it, you will install as an app. Yeah, that's how you install Taboo AI. And if you are using Chrome or what, you should have a button here in my website. You will click on it, it should prompt you to install Taboo AI as an app as well. So just to make it more convenient for you to install it.
Wow.
So now I'll go to the main part.
So many new things I'm learning from you. Yuxuan, it's amazing.
Thank you. So here is actually the major screen of Taboo AI. You can see now we actually have 74 topics in total. Some was predefined when Taboo AI just started, but most of them actually is submitted by our dear users. So you can see all this by somebody. All these are actually the players, players, and then submit their own topics. So so you can choose any of the topics, you can browse all of them, or you can sort them by all these different sorting options. So by default, right, the newest topic will be shown first with a tag new level. You can also sort by, like just now, if you want to have an easy topic to start with, you can start with easiest first. So all this is
So
marked as
clever.
easy.
It's
The
so
word
clever.
inside is not very hard. We can try maybe Marvels or something. Yeah, football. So you can see the topic actually is a variety of topics covering different areas like country, history, sports, economics, and all this. So actually, yeah, it's a great way for English learner to learn different vocabularies. And they also, you can rank by most popular. And this number of attempts showing that how many players have played this before. So you can see there's 9,700 plus play count for this topic. So it's very popular. Maybe you want to have a try as well. Then there's also this tag for number of words inside. So basically, Taboo AI, each game, it was randomly select 3 words from the topic. So the topic will be at least 3 words. So it's more than 3 words, then 3 of them will be randomly selected because I don't want to keep the game for too long. So later you will feel like demotivated. But I feel 3 is a nice number that, just nice because if you want to do more, you can restart the game or and choose other topics as well. So you can also search if you have a particular topic in mind. Like for example, if I'm a Marvel fan, then I search for Marvel will come up, right? So you can clear the search and stuff.
Marvel is fun.
Okay, so now let me just demo one time how to play Taboo AI first. Then we'll go to other features. So let's just go to the Marvels. So this is the playing screen. There will be a timer that will count the time. So basically, later I'll explain the Taboo AI scoring system that actually comprises of both how fast you create a response and plus the quality of the clue. But quality of the clue is the major part. So don't worry about timer because I feel sometimes, let's say you encounter a hard word or like any word that you don't know, you might want to search it out on the internet or Wikipedia and then you come back and then to answer it. Right. So in that case, actually, time is not the major thing, but it's how you form your sentences. How do you strike the conversation with the AI? Using some creative strategy to trick the AI into saying the word. So basically, you need to let the AI say Spider-Man without yourself saying Spider-Man in the entire conversation, as well as all these taboo words related to Spider-Man. You also cannot say. Yeah, so you can see there's this word that actually previously I also don't know what it is. So after playing, I know, oh, this is actually related to Spider-Man. Even though I didn't search up for it, but I know it's related to Spider-Man. So this comes to another benefit of Taboo AI, helps learner to learn English through associations of different knowledge. Yeah, so now next time maybe the learner look at this word, he will think about Spider-Man. So yeah. Okay, so let me try. So the audiences, everyone, you are free to try also. If you have any prompt that you want me to put in, feel free. I'm gonna switch back to the stream to see whether anyone want to key in anything. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see the Spider-Man. You cannot say web. You cannot say superhero. So you need to think of ways that to go around this
Oh my.
to try to describe who is that, to let AI know who is that. Okay.
Red and blue costume.
Yeah,
I don't know.
let's try. Okay, so so it's also better if you can form the sentences in a complete sentence. So like that, the
Wow.
AI will be easier to understand. So this also try to train the learners, grammatical skills and sentence structure, even though it's not necessary. Yeah. So let's try. Who is
Wearing, yeah,
wearing red
red and
and
blue costume. Oh my god.
blue costume? Okay, let's try. See what the AI answers. Oh, okay. AI is very smart.
You
You
see?
get it on
You
the
see?
first try.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that's cool.
I love this
Okay,
game. Okay, I smashed it.
Captain America. All right.
Captain
So you
America.
see, we cannot even say shield. I want to
Okay.
say like,
Oh no, I wanted to say
okay,
that.
Anna, let's try.
It okay, Yushan, help us.
Okay,
I
okay.
wanted to say the shield.
Okay, so you cannot say shield, right? So
A star
let me put
emblem.
myself in the shoes of a learner, right?
What's
I want to say shield. I know shield this word, but I cannot say it. So I'll try to describe what shield is. So what happened is I can say who is the hero that holds what is the shield? Shield is a circular metal
wow.
disc, right?
Wow.
And then
You
what
can
does it do?
people can expand vocabulary like a lot with
Right.
this
Yeah.
tool.
It's
Wow.
through associations. That's I think that's the power of the traditional game of Taboo, right? Like it help you remember stuff through associations with different words
It's the
that
power of
you
the
already know.
Taboo AI that you have created, Yushan. Because it's not a regular Taboo game that we had in the classroom before.
Also
It's
thanks to ChatGPT.
it's so different. You see,
Okay. So
in
okay.
a better
So
way.
holding circular metal disc. Maybe I want to add more. He defends enemies. Out of USA. I don't know. Let's try.
He was the leader. I think he was the leader in oh my god, what's the name of that group of superheroes? Was
Yeah.
he the leader?
Is it
Could
the
anyone correct me?
Avengers? No,
Iron Man. Oh
I
my
can't
gosh,
remember.
I love this game. Okay, Iron
Okay,
Man.
so last
Tony.
one.
Okay.
Tony Stark cannot say.
Okay.
Avenger cannot say.
He said, what did he have in his chest? He had
He
something
had
very specific. Hello, my friend.
chess. Anyone have any idea?
Instrumentos teacher from Turkey. Yes. So this game is like game changer. For especially for
Thank
language
you.
learners. And you're going to add more languages. Is it correct?
Yeah,
Like
I
you
had
see?
a long term plan because adding
Of
language will
course.
take a lot of time.
But
Yeah,
English is
so
international. It's perfect. It's perfect.
okay. So okay, then maybe for example, I can think of Iron Man, the Tony Stark, right? His heart is it's not a real heart, right? So
Engine. What
yeah,
did
I
he
guess
have in his
hmm.
chest area? Like
Chess.
special engine or
Yeah, he this hero does not have a real heart.
fake heart?
Yeah, his heart is made of engine. Let's see whether AI can get it. Oh, nice.
You see? Yes. Oh my god. Oh my
Okay,
god.
so
Okay,
after
can I
you
do this?
finish,
Can I do this?
oh, thank you.
Um,
Okay, so after you finish, the what happened is Taboo AI will use artificial intelligence to try to score your clue. So later I'll talk about this part, but basically currently your conversation is being put into artificial intelligence, and then he will greet you. So what happened is he will tell you how is the clue performing. So you can see
wow.
here. I don't know whether you guys can see. If it's too small, I can enlarge the screen.
Just a bit. I can do that just a bit.
Okay, let me enlarge a bit. Okay, so you can see our first one. It says it's creative and describe the target by mentioning the distinct feature of their costume. It's descriptive and well known in popular culture. So the AI will give an explanation of why he give you 95 out of 100 for the clue score. But you see, even though our time is 0 because we overshoot the time, but we still get a relative high score, which is 3 star.
Rating is
So
incredible.
next one is Captain America. Also, AI give a very high score, and this one actually the AI give more explanation, right? He say it could be improved by providing additional hints or reference to make the clue more unique to Captain America, because I think he's trying to say not just Captain America holding a shield.
Yuxuan, is it correct? It depends. So the score and the ratings depends on the amount of words and the quality of words that were given by.
Correct. Because
Oh,
behind the scene, actually, I'm telling the AI to grade in terms of 3 criteria. One is descriptive, a second is creativity, and a third is the
wow.
knowledge scope. So if you cover a wide range of knowledge in the clue, actually, it will also help to increase your score. Yeah.
Just blew me away. It, the power of AI, ChatGPT. Oh my gosh. And
Yeah,
the
it's
creative mind
really
like yours.
enabled by AI. Otherwise, it won't be possible. The last one is Iron Man. You can see we highlight Iron Man's unique feature. Okay, the connection between engine, heart, and also when learner try to read this paragraph, maybe he can grab something else as well, because the AI is using professional language, because I mean it's
Yes.
trained with like it's a large language model, it's a language model, so it reads a lot of stuff and it come out with a perfectly grammatically correct answer, right? So learner can also learn from by reading the explanations. Yeah, you can be potentially improved by using a more well-known elements. So I'm talking about his heart, but there's more well-known stuff that Iron Man has. Yeah,
Yushan,
so
is it
this is
possible? So sorry for
sorry.
interrupting you. Is it
Oh,
possible to make
no
this
problem.
criteria like a bit less? To that, for
Ah,
instance, the learners they don't know that much vocabulary of that level. So is it
mm.
possible, to curate this stuff or no, not yet?
Yeah, actually, I was thinking, now the difficulty level that you select is based on how hard the word is, but
Yeah.
in future, I feel like I want to let the user to decide the how hard it is for the level
Oh,
itself. So maybe
that would be
easy
perfect.
means AI will be very lenient, like
Yeah.
it won't punish so hard
Yeah.
if you don't follow, right? Then if it's difficult, then you have to be very descriptive and stuff, otherwise your score will be low, something like that. Yeah.
Beautiful. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, so you can fold it to save the space, and this is the overall score. Uh, yeah, so if you want to know how do we calculate the score, this is the diagram. So
Oh
actually,
my gosh.
for different difficulty level, the weightage that put into the score is different. So you can see for hard level, actually, 80% of the weightage is for the quality of the clue. So time is really not a thing, because we know the word is very hard. You might want to search up online or some stuff. Okay, so yeah. And last
Fascinating.
but not least, just this morning I added the feature. So you can share your score. And for those of you who want to show off to your friends how good you perform, how well you perform, right? You click this button. You can share this neatly designed card to your friends. So you just press the share button. If you're using your mobile device, yeah, the native sharing function will come out. You can share your Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, anywhere.
Oh my God.
Okay, so now let's go back.
This is
Yeah,
truly
so
engaging thing because I myself, I tried it and I'm like, "Oh, I want more. I've just,
yeah, you can explore a lot of topics there. So now bring us to another thing. What if you cannot find the topics, right? What if you cannot find the topics you want?
countries.
For example, I want to practice emotions vocabularies, right? The
Wow.
easy one.
Mhm.
Let me search emotions. There is one submitted by Miss Ellie. It's an easy level, 10 words. But what if, let's say, I'm a more advanced English learner, I don't want to practice easy emotions, then
Mhm.
there's no such topic exist. So one way is I can contribute, but what if I don't want to log in? Some people just don't want to, save your email to some app. Then in that case, you can go for the AI mode and it's completely free. So you go to AI mode, right? So in this mode, you just need to provide AI with a topic and the AI will generate for you. You are able to select the difficulty level.
Incredible.
So in
Incredible.
this case, I want to get emotions, right? So I'll put emotion and I put heart. So heart will you really give you the rare words that maybe you never see before. So let me
Hi,
try.
friend. Yay.
Okay,
Hello from
first one
Ghana.
is
Yeah, thanks for joining.
serendipity. Oh, hello,
Hi, friend.
welcome. Yeah, so for heart level, you can see the word is not that easy. The first one I encountered is serendipity for emotion. Actually, I forgot what it means.
Oh my
So
gosh.
as a learner, maybe I try and look up the occurrence and development of events. You're
That's
happy and
tough, you know.
beneficial way. Wow, it's tough. How do you describe this? Yeah, so that's what
Let's
I'm
switch.
trying to
Let's switch.
show. Yeah.
I truly love the topic about countries, you know, because we sometimes
Oh,
like traveling our classrooms without leaving the walls, as we said before. Now we're online these days, but
ah,
anyway, incredible when you can learn more about this world, real world.
correct. We have three submitted country topics. One is World War One countries, and two
Oh,
and
history.
three is just country. Yeah.
Like the
So
first one,
yeah, feel
maybe.
free to
Or
try.
let's try.
Okay, yeah, okay. Let me click on this one. It's a new submitted level. First one, Russia.
Oh, so
Okay,
we
give
need
me
to
something.
describe.
Yes,
Give you
describe
something.
Russia.
Okay, it's the Kremlin now. Vodka, of course. So what else? Hmm, the country of bears. I don't know. Sometimes people associate, you know, Russia with bears. Or oh, I don't see Valenki. It's like VALEN. Yeah,
VALEN.
ENK.
Okay.
Valenki. Sometimes it's I, sometimes it's Y, but you can drop I, for example.
Okay. So, do you want to make it a complete sentence to ask AI?
People usually wear Valenki on their
There, right?
feet,
Okay.
on their feet in this country, for example.
Okay.
Valenki, yeah, after K, it's Valenki.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
trying to
correct.
correct
Yeah,
you.
you see,
Yes, that's right. So yeah, just remember this is a conversation, so you can actually follow up.
it's incredible. It's
Oh no,
correct. The
he thinks
word
the words
was
are okay.
corrected. Yeah, it is great. It's yeah, people in that country. So the place should
Yeah, which
have been
country
mentioned.
is this mentioned?
Wow. Woohoo!
Nice.
Yes.
I even say
This is the
traditionally worn, so now I know.
no, it's
Learn
not
new
that
things
popular,
today.
but you know, but they got even
Hmm.
more expensive because the ornaments, it's like souvenirs, you know, it's cool stuff, it's expensive.
Ah,
Yeah,
I
but I
see.
do not wear Valenki, so it's just
Balance key.
something
Okay.
for tourists.
Yeah.
It's like fashion, that even sometimes it's like
Nice.
fashion.
Thanks for letting us know. I also learned new things today.
Yay! We're here for
Belgium.
learning and teaching.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Always
Belgium,
learning.
waffles.
Hmm.
No, they just took away.
Haha. Chocolate.
Okay, chocolate is the best, and waffles, the best waffles I had there. So
Ah. That's how do we try?
I love this comment from Sister Kankan. Thank you, friend. This is amazing how you can use this great platform in the classroom. How you can use it. So,
Ah.
Yushan, how we can use it to
Okay.
expand the vocabulary for sure.
Yes, so this one if for English learner, independent learner is great, but for the classroom, actually currently I have a plan to make it such that is classroom friendly. But for now, if just the current version, if you want to teach in the classroom, actually you can follow what last time there was a American teacher that wrote a blog about Taboo AI and how he want to use it. So I feel it's quite inspiring. So basically, he will flash this screen on the classroom screen with a particular topic. And after that, he will ask the student to form into small group. Each group have a whiteboard or something. So the group of students will try to come out with a prompt, like the prompt that we're entering here. So the student will try to come out with a prompt, and then the
Mm-hmm,
teacher
mm-hmm.
will entering it on the screen and then check whether AI understand it or not. And the groups, between groups, they can collaborate as well because it's a follow-up conversation. So maybe group A stay in the first thing and it doesn't hit, and group B can add on. Yeah, so currently that's some maybe a potential way that Taboo AI can be used in classroom to teach like a group of students.
Wow, it's you're an inventor, and this is always like it deserves lots of applauses because um, this the idea
Thank
itself
you.
is so unique, and I feel that I myself I can practice, and my students can practice, and they are
Hmm,
supported by ChatGPT actually because they can ask questions. If they made a
yes.
mistake, it's not that much strategy here, because
Hmm.
they can see
Yeah,
the correct spelling is here. It's
yeah, you can feel free even to ask the AI about how to correct my mistake. Maybe I don't know how to say this and stuff. Yeah. And yeah, I
great
think my
practice.
there's a future plan that I want to expand this into. There's a teacher platform where teacher can create your own topic just for that one class, because now the only way to create your own topic is to submit, and the topic can be playable by everyone that has access to Taboo AI. So if you want a unique classroom setting, then I want to create something like that so that teacher can put up their words and the associated taboo words also. And then the student side, I'm not sure whether students have access to mobile device or laptop or in the classroom or something. If have, then maybe they have a client side, like the user side screen, and teacher is seeing the admin screen, like,
Mhm.
so it becomes something like Kahoot, that it's
Yes,
like
you
a quiz,
see, I can see
it's
the
like a quiz game. Yep.
quizzes, Kahoot,
Mm.
Quizlet.
Then we
Yeah.
can see which group has the highest score in the end or something. Yeah.
And you can practice even more with the help of, again, AI like ChatGPT, because your students, they're more
Mm.
active with that, with production, in language, you've got production. That's what they can make here. It's tremendous.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, I have a lot of things I want to improve hardware, but yeah, I will slowly roll out the feature because now I'm doing it one man, so
Of
it's a
course,
bit
but
tough to do it fast. Yeah.
you've already like provided very secure and great unique space, and it's for free. It's amazing, and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for sharing today.
I'll constantly improve it. Yeah. So if you want to learn more about the updates, actually, Tabuya I have a set up a Substack newsletter subscription. So I usually post there, and also the Discord channel. So if you want to know about the updates, then I will usually post there. Then we'll let you know.
To your
Yeah.
blog, right? Is it correct that you've mentioned the
Uh,
ad tech blog? Yeah.
yeah. So actually, just now
Oh,
in
it's
the
in your
home
website. Okay.
page. If you scroll down, there will be this part. So you just enter your email, and yep, that's it. You just enter
Awesome.
your email. Yeah, you'll receive the updates from Taboo AI. So yeah, so okay, so move on to the next feature is what if I want to revisit my results. So for now, there's a temporary solution that I provide here, which is the website will remember your last attempt. Yeah. So just now we attempted the superhero one, right? So Marvel's one.
Yeah.
So you
It
can
was
see
great.
now on the home screen there will be a third button comes out. Last time don't have. So it's also accessible in the side menu here. Just see my results is here. So once you click on it, you'll bring you back to the results page. Then I go back to home. Yeah, so okay, so now what if you want to contribute topics to us? So in this case, we require a login, and now we're providing Google sign in. So
Mhm.
you can sign in with your Google Gmail. Let me perform a sign in here. So once I sign in, right? So this is the page there where you can contribute a topic. So yeah, so what we need from you is the topic name. So for example, just now I want to add emotion, right? So let's say topic name is
Emotions.
emotion.
Mm-hmm.
Then difficulty level easy, medium, or hard. So this one we can choose. After that, the third point is whether you want AI to generate the taboo words for each target word. So just now in the game, you can see below the text input, right? There's a red lines that those words are also forbidden to say in the game. So those are the taboo words. Then the word that we're trying to let AI guess is the target words. So if this one is true, we just need to provide 3 target words there. We can submit the topics. So it's for convenience. If you don't want to generate all the taboo words yourself. Otherwise, if you untick this, then for each target word, you have to supply at least 5 taboo words. So in this case, let's say firstly, let's say I just say happy and target word is happy. Yeah. So in this case, happy already exists in our database. So someone else already created happy, and then there is taboo words
Amazing.
related to it. So you can review those words and see whether it fits your
Oh my
liking,
God.
right? If you are okay with it, then it's yeah, then we can skip this. But if you're not okay with it, I provided a way for you to, because this is also someone else created, so we don't want to overwrite the stuff. So in this case, you click this button here. We can do an appeal, and you can apply the reason. Say, maybe I want to add this word into this, and I will receive the email, and then yeah, I will access from there. So it just to safeguard we don't accidentally overwrite other people's taboo, the words that is submitted. But yeah, you can feel free to add more words. So for example, let's say I'll just write the serendipity. Now my brain is blank. I can't think of other words.
That word.
So so for this one, of course, it's not in our database. So you see, if this thing is the third point is turned off, you have to supply 5 taboo words for it to pass. Okay. But let's say you just want to save time, then just turn on this. You just need to supply the last words, for example, angry. So now everything turns green. The button appears. So you can click on review your topic. Yeah, and this is the review page. You can see, okay, these are the 3
Wow.
words, and you choose to use AI. Then after that, this will be the nickname. You just need to provide us a nickname. We won't show your actual email to the public. So the only thing we show is your nickname. So it can be anything. So for example, we just say teachers love edu. Then just click submit
Wow.
topic. So just wait for a while for it to be done. Yeah. So you'll inform you that the topic has been submitted. Then once my side, I'll review the topics, and if everything is okay, then I'll approve it. Then the topic will be immediately seen from the homepage here, the choose topic here. Yeah, it will appear here once it's approved, and you will receive a confirmation email from me. So yeah, that's about contribute topics. Last but not least, I'm in the middle of creating a profile for every sign user to store your results. And
Oh my
next
gosh.
time I want to create flashcards inside Taboo AI so that you can manage the words you already played. You can save them, and then you
Okay.
can create your flashcard collections. And then in the flashcard collection, you can choose to just view the flashcard, like how flashcard works. But also we can leverage on Taboo AI's internal feature, so you can actually go through the flashcard by having conversation with AI again. So that's something I want to do in the future as well. So you can see here, once you
Wow.
sign in, the top right hand side, there's a user menu, right? So for now, profile is coming soon. You can see your last result. Just now we already saw the saved one, the Marvels one. And also we will link you to contribute a topic because you sign in already, so you are able to contribute a topic. So yeah, so we encourage you to contribute topic to us, because it's not just maybe for your own learning, but the topic is visible for everyone to have fun and then learn the vocabulary that you come up with as
Amazing.
well. Yeah, so that's all
Let's
about
create.
Taboo AI for now. More things coming up soon.
Yeah, so I think right now I can share out the Wakefield Resource Collection so you can learn more about amazing Yuxuan from Singapore, who has invented and shared with the world such a great invention and creation of yours, like Taboo AI. It's incredible. Like I love this. I can see the impact. Even when you
Thank
start the
you.
creation, I lost the words. You can see all of these beautiful selections, of words that's like synonymous. And again, you're expanding your vocabulary as well as your students. It's
Thank
so
you so much.
powerful. I've shared the resource collection. So Tabuya is great. And if you're watching us as a recorded version, please don't forget to share with your excitement. And so just drop comments below the video or post your highlights on socials because let's support you, Sean. You invented such a cool thing, especially being a language teacher. I can claim that for sure.
Thank you,
It's
everyone. Thank you, Anna, for
it's
the
impressive.
opportunity.
It's super impressive. Okay, I'm going just to mention that don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PD webinars here. And again, Yushan, you're amazing and super brilliant person. Like, thank you for sharing and for making this incredible tool with the help of ChatGPT and AI. It's super unique. To me, it's super unique. I've never seen anything like this before. And just the very first step, that's what we can do in education with AI and ChatGPT.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Just any last words from you that you would love to share with the world again, with teachers especially?
Yeah, as a developer, I think what I can do to help the edtech community is, yeah, I'll create more products that utilize the latest technology and then benefit the teachers and the learners. Yeah, and myself, I think I will try to learn more about this area and how education works and stuff. And yeah, I will keep posting on my blog like every week so that if you're interested about the content, you can go and take a look. Yeah, and I also post updates about Taboo AI in the future. So yeah, just have fun, and you can learn anywhere. Yeah, it's an app that is on the browser. Thank
And
you.
these were golden words because you're a software developer again. So this is like the suggestion to developers to promote not only stuff about AI in businesses. What about education? Let's spark it with new ideas like this one because it's a super brilliant and super useful and impactful.
Yeah,
Let's keep this working on
I really think when
words.
ChatGPT just come out, right, it really it will revolutionize education industry. Yeah,
In
not
other
other
words,
industry, but education. Because the way teachers teaching student, their mindset is changed, is no longer the same. Yeah.
is no longer the same.
Actually, do we have time? I just want to share like
Yes,
just a post that I saw that actually inspired me.
please
It
do
was
that.
a teacher, an American teacher that was interviewed about how ChatGPT is being disruptive because she's an English teacher, and the MC was asking her, what if the student use ChatGPT to write essay? How do you grade it? Like what's the challenges? How do you prevent? How do you catch students that trying to use ChatGPT to cheat? But what the teachers say actually, what it surprised me. So she say, why do I need to catch them? Why do I need to prevent ChatGPT?
Mhm.
How about I make the exam essay question harder? I teach the student how to use ChatGPT to generate the essay and how they criticize the essay that the ChatGPT writes, because ChatGPT writes, everyone will write the same thing. If you don't have a good prompt, all the essay
Yeah.
will look the same. And if you don't have grammatical skill, you don't have your English basic skill, you cannot criticize the
Yes.
essay that the ChatGPT write correctly. So that's why the teacher was like, we should embrace, like when this AI thing comes out, it's unavoidable. So why not just embrace it and change the way we teach students? Yeah, so that inspired me, and also give me confidence that actually, yeah, technology can actually help education further. Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant words. And another,
Thank you.
to all the amazing teachers and platform developers who understand this, that we never get back to where we were before. So we need
Mm,
to implement these new technologies into educational processes everywhere to make it more beneficial for both sides, like for teachers, for students, and make this world a better place for sure. Yeah, right. So we need just to look
yeah.
for the benefits of using them. And you just created such a great tool. Again, we all have just seen how it works, and it works for that, to make
Thank you so
to help
much.
students and teachers. Just the last final comment from our friend from Ghana. Thank you so much for such a
Thank you
great
so
presentation. Yes,
much.
for your presentation, Yushan. Thank you so much. You're
Thank
incredible,
you.
brilliant, super talented. We want to see more of your creations and your inventions. And anytime you want to share, just most welcome to Teachers Love You Do. So
Okay, yeah, definitely. Yeah. I would love to share more.
yeah, don't leave the room. And I'm going to say to goodbye. Yeah, 1 2 1 2. So I'm going to say goodbye to everyone who joined us. And if you're watching as a recorded version, thank you so much too again for watching us, for being with us, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone, and use technology wisely. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.